Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today, we will explore a key biological process that ensures the continuation of life through sexual reproduction, a process known as meiosis. As students of science, it is important for us to understand how the human body as well as other organisms create gametes or sex cells in a highly organized and regulated way. The process not only enables production but also contributes genetic variation and diversity, which are essential for the survival of species. So, what is meiosis? Where does it occur? Let us dive in deeper to our infographic presentation.
Do you know what is the meaning of meiosis? Well, as far as I know, meiosis is defined as a type of cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes by half. This process occurs in reproductive organs, the testes in males and the ovaries in females, and results in formation of haploid gametes, sperm and ovum. Each human body cell contains 46 chromosomes arranged in 23 pairs. However, gametes must only contain 23 chromosomes so that when fertilization occurs, the resulting zygote will consist full set of 46 chromosomes. Thus, meiosis ensures that this happens correctly. In humans and many other animals, meiosis occurs only in the reproductive organs. In males, the testes produce sperm via meiosis. In females, the ovaries produce ova or egg cells through a similar meiotic process.
There are three major reasons why meiosis is crucial. First and foremost, meiosis helps to maintain the stability of chromosome number across generations. Without meiosis, the chromosome number will double with each generation, which could be biologically unsustainable. Moreover, meiosis could generate genetic variation through recombination and independent assortment. Processes lead to unique combinations of genes in offspring. Meiosis is a two-part cell division process. It consists of meiosis 1, which is the reduction and division, and meiosis 2, which is the separation of sister chromatids. Each of these divisions contains 4 phases, which is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Let us go through these phases step by step.
Alright, now I will start to elaborate on meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 is a stage where the chromosome number is halved. There are 4 phases, which is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Prophase 1 being the most complex phase. Prophase 1 is where chromosomes thickens and shortens and become visible. Homologous chromosomes pair up in a process known as synapsis, forming structures called bivalents. Moreover, crossing over will start to occur. This is where less sister chromatid exchange genetic material. This leads to genetic recombination and increases genetic diversity. Next is metaphase 1. The homologous chromosome pairs align along the metaphase plate or the equator of the cell. The orientation of each pair is random, contributing to independent assortment of chromosomes. Meanwhile, anaphase 1, homologous chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite poles by spindle fibers. Telophase 1, the chromosomes reach the poles and the cell begins to divide. The result shows 2 haploid cells, each containing half the number of chromosomes.
Prophase 2. The nuclear membrane, if reformed after meiosis 1, breaks down again. Chromosome shortens and thickens. Spindle fibers begin to form from the centromeres and they migrate to opposite poles of the cell. Unlike in prophase 1, there is no pairing if homologous chromosomes here because each chromosome already stands alone. Metaphase 2. The chromosome is consisting of 2 sister chromatids lined up individually at the metaphase plate, which is the equator of the cell. The orientation of chromosomes is random, which further continues to genetic variation. Spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of each chromatid. Anaphase 2. The centromeres divide, allowing the spindle fibers to pull the sister chromatids apart toward opposite poles. Once separated, these chromatids are considered individual chromosomes. This step ensures that each new cell will receive the correct number of chromosomes. Telophase 2 and cytokinesis. Chromosomes arrive at the opposite poles and begin to undergo cytokinesis. A new nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromosomes, resulting reformation of the nucleus in each cell. Cytokinesis, the division of the cytoplasm, then occurs, leading to the formation of 4 haploid daughter cells.
To conclude, meiosis is a complex but essential process in living organisms that plays a critical role in sexual reproduction and genetic diversity.
Understanding meiosis allows us to appreciate how life is sustained and evolved through generations.
Not to forget, thank you to our supervisor, which is Cikgu Sulim, for all the guidance and commitment in completing our infographic presentation. We would also like to thank you, our family and friends, for the moral support along this journey. That's all from us. Bye!